Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are going to see a very unique collection of Mercerised cotton sarees. These beautiful collections are available on both dark and pastel shades. The texture of the fabric is very soft and comfortable to wear, and it be a perfect choice for this summer season. Going to the saree design, it is coming in borderless pattern and beautiful puttas are symmetrically running all over the body part along with a running grand pallu and blouse. These pretty collections you are getting in a price of 1050 rupees only, and we offers a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links are given in the description. Hope you like the collections. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Also follow our Instagram page for daily updates. Thank you for watching.